Okay, pasok sa M, yung mga nasa M. Pasok, pasok, pasok. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Patayin nyo na lang. PBB sa M. Sige, tulog to mga to. Tulog to mga to. Yung nasa M. Manuel Rezo na lang, Manuel Rezo. Manuel Rezo sa M, guys.
Yung ano,
Nice, nice,
yung
nice,
donut
nice.
lang. Nilagay ko nga dyan, nilipat. Wala na kasi akong paklaungan.
Nice, nice, Els. Nice, nice. Nice basag, nice basag. Okay, susubok ulit yung kamatis. Ano tayo? Stronghold 1. Stronghold 1 tayo, Stronghold 1. Nice, 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 nice. Ikutin natin yung bike mamaya. Susubok pa yung kamatis sa atin eh.
Oh, set Stronghold 1. Set Stronghold 1, bro.
Stronghold 1, Stronghold 1, Stronghold 1, bro.
Yes.
Yeah, Stronghold 1. Oh, I didn't know. I thought you were still deafened. Alright, let's go, Stronghold 1. Right, defend at 6 o'clock. Near the platform, guys, near the platform. Yeah, near the platform. 6 o'clock on the map, guys. 6 o'clock on the map. Everyone gather at 6 o'clock on the map. 6 o'clock, guys. 6 o'clock on the platform. Stay at 6 o'clock. Okay, check your gears. They got a lot of strippers. Check your gears. Okay, guys, they're coming. 61 people attacking. 79. Okay, they're here. Alright, stay at 6 o'clock, guys. Nobody overextend. Stay at the right side of the platform. Stay here. Okay, good. I see a lot of boots. Move forward. Click the boots. Yeah, that's what's up, bro. That's what's up. Kick, expel. DPR is here as well. Right, nice. Click those boots, bro. Come on. Show them what's up. Expel. Okay, I think Kamatis went out. Oh no, it's all DPR. DPR left their castle. Okay, guys, focus expel. Click the boots. Okay, back up a bit. Go back to the original position. Go back 6 o'clock. Go back. Guys, go back. You're overextending. Nice. Right side of the platform, guys. Right side. Guys, you're overextending. Let them push. Let them RG. Guys, I see a lot of people in the front. Get back here. Get back. Okay, guys. Sige. Okay, we can return the favor to Regal. I think they're still pushing. They're still trying another one. Let them push. Okay, it's only Kamatis here. It's only Kamatis and DPR. The other guilds left. Oh well. Okay. DPR is coming, guys. Move forward. They're quite weak, guys, compared to us. They're quite weak. I think we could... Okay, guys, I'm gonna dive in. Rocky Soro, they're stuck. Okay, guys, go in. They're stuck. Nice. Nice, expel. I see a lot of boots. Expel. Check your gears, guys. They got a lot of strippers. Alright, DPR still here at the front. Okay, guys, just keep clashing. Don't overextend, though. Just stay near the platform. Okay, guys, I got Rocky Soro here at the front. They can't skill. Okay, expel. Oh, we're getting too close to the safe zone, guys. Back up a bit. Back, guys. Back tayo. Back up a bit. Damn, the lag is crazy. Are you guys lagging? I'm lagging like crazy, bro. Guys, stop healing, stop healing. I think I see a lot of damage. I think it's ill. It's lagging a lot, bro. What is this? There's a lot of people attacking our castle. 153, but I don't see anyone else. 153 pero DPR lang yung nagpupush. Guys, disperse first, disperse because of MS3. Disperse, disperse. Yeah, it's gone, it's gone. It's gone. Thank you for the people who went to Stronghold 3. Guys, guys. Disperse muna tayo, MS3. Take out the MS3. Kamatis incoming. Okay. Okay, I'm waiting for the eagle. It's okay. We can teleport to the stronghold. Guys, Stronghold 1 nga muna. Reset. Everybody teleport to Stronghold 1. Everybody to Stronghold 1. Actually, don't teleport kasi baka mag-eagle. Never mind. Don't teleport. Reset. Everyone with MS3. Get away from the stack. Everyone with MS3. Get away from the stack. Oh, there's SC here. Check your gears, guys. Check your gears. Okay, there's somebody in Stronghold 3. Delta, anyone from Delta? Can you check Stronghold 3? Delta team. Okay, we're recapping again. Okay, good. Just walk back here. Let's stay here for now, guys. 6 o'clock of Stronghold 1. Only 6 o'clock of Stronghold 1. Okay, guys. Somebody use eagle. Stronghold 2 now. Stronghold 2. Teleport Stronghold 2. Teleport Stronghold 2. Stronghold 2 now. Stronghold 2. Stronghold 2. Everyone at Stronghold 2. Teleport. Teleport Stronghold 2. Manoresu. Aga expelled. Somebody take over. Can anybody take over? Boss Bigos, can you take over? Stronghold 2, guys. Teleport now. Okay, guys, everyone that got expelled, go to Stronghold 3. Teleport Stronghold 3. Everyone that got expelled. Stronghold 3, okay, go. Okay, guys, breakers? Delta 3, can you break bulk big now? Delta 3. Break bulk big now. Delta 3. Break bulk big. Okay, guys, we're moving towards 12 o'clock. The box. We're going towards the box. Regal, towards the box. Go. Towards the box. Okay, guys, top right corner. Okay, guys, M. Can somebody go? Oh, this is the MVP. This is the MVP. It's not our M. It's the MVP. Oh, yo. Okay, guys. Let's gather up on Stronghold 3. Gather up on Stronghold 3. And then go to the 12 o'clock box. The middle box between the Stronghold 2 and Stronghold 3. Delta 3 and other breakers. Can you try and break bulk? Because DPR is here. You can break bulk. Guys, check your gears, ha? Okay. Thank you, Oxygen. Before it got speedy.
So, backsliding ka pa.
Okay, guys, let's go. Let's move forward. Na. Move forward towards Stronghold 3. Let's go. 12 o'clock box. 12 o'clock box. Okay, okay. Top right corner na guys. Top right corner. Top right corner. Move forward, move forward. Top right corner. Top right corner. Okay, okay. We're moving forward. Top right corner. There's only a few here. There's only a few. Okay, guys. Listen. Use your waffle now. Use your waffle. Use your waffle. Jam waffle. Jam waffle. Jam waffle now. Okay. Guys, everybody top right corner. Everybody top right corner. Okay, we're going in. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, they're in there. Aluminous is here. Aluminous is here. Aluminous is here. Precast, precast, precast. Aluminous is here. They went in. They went in. Okay, guys. Okay, manual resu. Manual resu. Manual resu. Manual res. Manual res. Expel, 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 expel. Expel them, expel them, expel them. This is not their channel. This is not their channel. We have the advantage. We have the advantage. We have stronghold 3. We have stronghold 3. We have stronghold 3. Okay, M. O sige, pa-check na M. Kamatis at M. Aga expelled again. Boss Vegas, are you there? Oh, refatal sa labas.
Na-expel ako.
Refatal. Who's in M? Who's in M? Can you take over for a second? Refatal lang yung mga namatay.
Clear pa M, clear pa M. Pero may
Sige,
mga tao.
Sige. Pasank na lang na M, pasank na lang. Nice. Ay. May ano pa rin. Meron pa ring MVP sa bulk. Kamusta Delta 3? Sa bulk. Papush na yung papush na. Ito na yung Luminous guys. Dito na yung Luminous sa papunta ng M. Luminous incoming.
Putang ina.
Luminous is incoming sa M guys. Luminous is incoming. Just watch out. Watch out. We can give a Luminous the Emp room. Actually, we can teleport back to Stronghold 3. We can teleport back to Stronghold 3 if we can. Okay guys, just hug the Emp for now. Hug the Emp for now. Hug the Emp. A Luminous is quite a strong guild, that's the thing. Lakas itong hype natin. Naka Stronghold 3. Somebody's taking Stronghold 3. Damn. Okay guys, we need to go to Red Portal. Red Portal. Kamusta dyan yung Stronghold 3? Ay, kamusta dyan yung Red Portal guys, Red Portal. Kamusta yung Bulk Big? Delta 3? Red Portal guys, Red Portal. Okay guys, slowly push towards the M. Go. Push towards the M. Slowly push. Okay guys, there's a few here. There's only a few here, Slowly push towards the M. Slowly push. Pinapabasag nila. There's other guilds inside the Emp room. Okay. Mahirap. Pero Luminous is blocking us. Teleport nga muna tayo, Bulk Big. Tulungan natin yung Delta 3. Teleport Bulk Big, everyone. Go, Bulk Big. Teleport. That was a good first 15 minutes anyway. DPR is retaking the Stronghold 2, guys. Stronghold 2, Stronghold 2. Stronghold 2, Stronghold 2. Go, 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 go. Teleport, teleport, Stronghold 2. Teleport, Stronghold 2. Teleport, teleport. Got expelled again. Damn. They retook Stronghold 2. Go to Stronghold 3, go to Stronghold 3. Teleport to Stronghold 3. Just go in, just go in. We need to secure Stronghold 3. There's not many of them. There's not many of them. SH3, SH3. SH3, then walk towards Stronghold 2. Walk towards Stronghold 2. Retake Stronghold 2. Okay, good, 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 good. Once we take Stronghold 2, we can break it. We can break it. No. We don't have to go to Stronghold 2. They're taking Stronghold 2. Let's just break it as soon as it gets taken. Okay, guys, let's go, Emperor. Let's go, Emperor. Move forward towards Emperor. Let's go. Move towards Emperor. Nice. Keep moving forward. Okay, we got... Ay, Stronghold 2. Guys, teleport ka Stronghold 2? How many is Stronghold 2? How many? SH2? Pasaman. Can you summon your team in Stronghold 2? Summon your team in Stronghold 2. It's like a yo-yo. 2 PT. Oh, nice. Eva Elfie. I thought we can't break it. GG. Okay, guys, we can go back to I think we need to break another castle, maybe. Brit mid. Pabasa ng Brit mid. Okay, guys, TP out 3 food. I didn't expect Aluminous to be here. Aluminous is a strong guild. Sarap mo, Eva LP. Okay, brothers, is here. There's a lot of the Aether's Hall. Aether's Hall is a new merge guild. Okay. Ang inala na pala akong gears. Check your gears, guys. Check your gears. Okay, guys, we're gonna defend at Precast. Precast areas. 6 o'clock of Stronghold 2.
What castle?
6 o'clock of Stronghold 2, guys. Precast area. Six o'clock of Stronghold 2.
What castle?
Valgbig. Ay, sorry. Valgbig pala. Dalawa nga pala castle natin. Isa lang. Britbig is not ours.
Copy.
Okay, guys, we precast here. 6 o'clock of Stronghold 2. I see a lot of people in Stronghold 1.
There's so many people at Stronghold.
Sige nga.
DPR incoming.
Stronghold 1 na lang, guys. Stronghold 1 na lang. Teleport Stronghold 1. Okay, it's incoming. Incoming at the front. Aether Rain. Whatever they call it. Whatever this guild is. Okay, guys. I see a lot of boots. Focus on Stronghold 1. Nobody overextend. Stay at Stronghold 1. Right, okay. I see a lot of boots. Nice. Expel at the front. Nice.
Hindi pa na pwede mag-expect.
Sige, stay here. Nobody move forward. Stay at Stronghold 1. Guys, I see a lot of boots. RGs, can you expel? RGs, hello? At the front.
Crush again.
Okay, guys. We got disadvantage. Okay, move forward towards the stairs. Move forward a bit. Nice. Puro bota. Beautiful. Fucking beautiful, mate. Let's go.
Okay.
Ay,
Sige, move forward a bit. Just below the stairs.
DPR naman to ah. Ay, hindi.
Nobody move past the stairs. Ano yun, boss?
DPR tsaka Aether sabay yung mga atake. Nagpapalitan.
Sige lang, sige lang. Sige lang, sige lang. Sige lang, sige lang. Dito lang tayo sa left side ng Stronghold 1. Left side ng Stronghold 1. We can move forward a bit. We can move forward a bit. Below the stairs, below the stairs. Move forward a bit below the stairs. Nobody go up the stairs, nobody go up. Just below, just below. Check your gears, ang dami stripper, ang dami stripper. Just below the stairs. Okay, okay. That's good, that's good, that's good. That's good. We're good, we're good. We're still good, guys. We're still good. Ganda, 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 ganda. Dala-dalawang gig dumatake sa atin. We got this, we got this.
Nahuli ko pa naman yung isa, oh. Hindi makakalis to.
Guys, Pareso at the front. Reso at the front. I died it. Yun.
Oh, bad.
Nice, 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 nice. Guys, check your gears, ha?
Huli.
Always use take on. Hoy! Somebody use summon, ha? Somebody use summon, ha?
Nagsaman.
But this is not their castle. This is not their
Taas
castle.
ng SH1. Sa taas ng SH1.
Okay, guys. Teleport SH2. Teleport SH2. We gotta get sandwich. We gotta get sandwich. SH2. SH2 now. SH2 now. We don't want to get sandwich. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Move towards precast area. Move towards precast area. Move towards precast area. Ayan yung silang magpatayin dyan. Okay, nobody move yet. Nobody move. Only here. Nobody move at the towers. Just behind the towers. 6 o'clock Stronghold 2. Guys, may nakakita na, ha. There's a Archbishop hiding. Casting MS3.
Still many on the SH1.
Okay, guys, move forward sa... dahil pa rin sa SH1, ano? Tara, tara, tara. Move forward na SH1. SH1. SH1, SH1. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Move forward, move forward, move forward. They're getting sandwiched there, bro. Okay, nobody go down yet. Nobody go down. On top of the stairs. Only on top of the stairs. Stay on top. Stay on top. Okay, see a lot of boots. On top of the stairs. I will call it when we go down to Stronghold 1. Stay on top. Stay on top. Stay on top of the stairs. Ano nga? Delta 3. Pabasag ulit na isang castle. Delta 3. Ayun, Brit mid. Okay na pala, Brit mid. Okay, okay. Delta 3, can you break, ano? Can you break Luina big? Okay, guys, let's go to Stronghold 1. Move forward, Stronghold 1. Nobody teleport. Nobody teleport. Just move forward, Stronghold 1. Move forward, Stronghold 1. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, I see a lot of boots. Expel ulit. Expel ulit. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Nice, 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 nice.
Ba't naman siya?
Okay, we haven't seen Kamatis clash with us, ano? Teka lang yung ano pala? Artifacts?
Incoming, ha?
Okay, okay, copy. Sige guys, ano? Go back to Stronghold 1. Nobody teleport. Just go back to Stronghold 1.
Aray,
Incoming, ha? Malakas to. Sino to?
DPR.
DPR, okay, DPR. Guys, go back to Stronghold 1. Nag-overextend yata kayo. You overextended. Okay guys, I'm dying in the front. Don't be afraid. Okay, DPR the front, ha? DPR, ha? Okay guys, I'm gonna dive in. Rocky Soro under stack. Okay, go in. Go in now. Dive in their stack. Okay, we got... tayo na dive-an. Reso at the front. We got a lot of gems, blue gems. Okay, I got expelled. Boss Bigos pa take over. Oh, shit. How are we doing?
Either lang. Say, either pa.
Okay. Okay guys, everybody who died,
Parehas
please
ng
refood
low,
outside. Refood outside. DPR nasa Luina. Okay. Sige, it's okay. It's okay, Oxygen. Just come back. We got 3 castles anyway. They can't no-walk us anyway. We got Brit Big, Brit Mid, tsaka Valk Big. They can't no-walk us. Okay guys, everybody who died and got expelled, you can refood. Okay guys, we're getting pressure. We're getting a lot of pressure. We're getting a lot of pressure from the front. We can push back, guys. We can push back, Push back on them. Push back on them. Move forward towards the stairs. Let's go. Push back tayo konti. Ang kapal niya sa Stronghold 1. There's a lobby of Stronghold 1. Guys, move forward a bit.
Tang. Di ba?
Sige. Move forward, guys. Let's see a lot of boots, oh. They're not getting expelled.
Yung
I think
mga
we're out of
nila,
anti-fatal. Oo. I think we need to refatal, guys.
There's so many trees.
So many. Yeah, the trees is good. Daming ang puno. Okay, guys, move forward. Naubos na sila, oh. Let's go towards the stairs. Go towards the stairs. Ubos na, oh.
Kuhain ko nga itong backline.
I see a lot of boots. Bottom of the stairs. Keep moving forward, guys.
Ano?
Focus the backline. Yung mga pare. Okay, this is Aether now.
Eh, ano?
This is Aether in front of us.
Peterson.
Dami tools.
Ito ba yung Aether Rain dati? Di ba Aether Rain to dati?
Watak na yata.
Okay
yun,
guys, just focus on the focus your FF. Teka nga, palabas muna tayo. Stronghold 2 nga muna guys, reset Stronghold 2. Everyone Stronghold 2. Labas muna. Okay guys, pag wala na kayo, if you don't have any more anti-fatal, go out and refood. If you don't have any more anti-fatal. Okay guys, move toward precast area. Tara. Precast area tayo. Precast area tayo. Go.
COVID will die. Keep dying.
Yeah, there's COVID. There's DPS COVID. Not just the full support COVID.
So,
Precast muna tayo.
disgusting MS2. That's why we are keep dying.
Remove MS to AP.
Ilang minutes per
Coming na sila, papunta na sila sa garden.
4 minutes. Guys, precast area tayo. Guys, don't go there at the Don't go there at the Eskinita. Tawag dyan. Guys, they're pushing forward. We're getting pushed back.
Depress area yan.
Alright. Okay guys, go back to Stronghold 2. We're getting pushed.
Oh, andito ang dami.
Lalo tayo na isa-isa tayo nagpo-push eh. Stronghold 2 na lang, Stronghold 2. Don't go the hep. Hepa lane.
3-star.
Stronghold 2.
Ice cream.
Kas,
Ano
ano,
to? Anito pala to. Anito.
Anito na yan?
Hindi, anito
Kaya
tong
pala
ano.
kati.
Yung mga galing anito to, yung sila ice cream.
Kate. Oh my god. Shit. Oh my god. Ang kate.
At the back.
Kate na to. Shit. Okay guys, Bukang Stronghold 3 tayo. Puro papush tayo ng papush Refood muna, yung mga namatay. Refood na mabilis na Stronghold 3. Yung Stronghold 1 natin, okay pa? Stronghold 1?
Okay pa yata.
Okay pa yung Stronghold 1?
Yes.
Oo.
Pwede, Stronghold 1 tayo. Ayan nyo sila dyan. Stronghold 1. Hindi naman nila castle to eh. Wala silang magagawa dyan sa Stronghold 3. We go Stronghold 1 guys, Go back to Stronghold 1.
Grabe, ubad na ubad. No?
Go back to Stronghold 1. Everyone. Then we teleport to Stronghold 2 if it's getting taken. Refoods when you die. Yeah, refoods when you die. Wala na sila dito. It's only Anito and us here. It's only Anito and us. Tara nga doon sa tara nga doon sa bottom left corner of the map. Bottom left corner of the map. Bottom left corner. Harangin ito ng mga to. There's a few kamatis here. There's a few kamatis. In front of the safe zone. Yan yung sila doon. Wala silang gagawin doon. They're actually doing us a favor. Actually, we can leave the map if we want. Delta, can you stay here and wag na siguro 1 minute na lang. Hidan, can you pwesto na sa Luina Big o Greenwood Big? Ay hindi, Brit Big. Sige, pwesto ka na diyan. Pwesto ka na sa Brit Big. Coming from SS1 na sila.
Sa likod na.
O tara, SS2 naman tayo, SS2. Ang lakas niyang gilda yan. Tangina, di natin kaya, pre.
Na lang eh.
Hindi, lilikuran lang namin. Lilikuran namin from SS2. Lilikuran namin.
Daming Nutri-Star
Hindi, para maganda, pumunta na tayo doon sa Brit eh.
Pwede.
1 minute na lang.
Hindi kayo.
Kaya pa ba to? I think it should be good. Okay, one clash with this. Aether. One clash with Aether. Tara. 30 seconds na basta tayo dito in 30 seconds.
Sakit.
Sakit nga, boy. Grabe.
Tanginang Nutri-Star yan, hindi talaga naninurf.
Patay agad ako. Okay, tara, teleport na tayo sa Brit Big na lahat. Mag-i-equal. Brit Big na lahat.
Andito
Go,
DPR.
reset mo na. Sige.
Papunta sila SH2.
Sige. Brit Big all. Okay guys, we gonna... Ay, perfect bet. 20 seconds na lang to eh. Ay, mali pala. Putang ina mo. Mali yung pinasungong mo castle.
That's my big.
Ano?
4 minutes.
4 minutes, okay. Nakapesto ka na?
Hindi pa.
Ready for equal guys, Brit Big.
Ang sikip ng playcast nila sa SH2.
Sino yung nakalusot guys? Did anybody get through? I can give the equal to them if anybody get through.
Hindi, naka-full dip pa yan.
Did anyone get through?
Kailangan mabugaw muna.
Ano, isang push? 3 minutes na lang eh.
Isang push.
Mag-summon ka muna kaya.
Get blink ka.
Mag-summon ka, Hidan. Summon mo kami. Sabay tayo papasok. 3 minutes.
Alam mo,
Just make one more attempt. Yeah, make one more attempt. Ready for equal, guys?
We're 83 yan.
Gab. Patay ka.
Nameless said SH3.
Huli.
Patay ka.
Puta.
Huli to.
Anybody? Si Super EP. Sige. Teka.
Basa
Super
mo.
EP sa tita. Super EPs. Asan si Super EPs? Ano pangalan nun? Teka.
Nameless.
Sino?
Nameless
Ano
one.
pangalan?
Nameless, namatay ako.
Nameless. Namatay, sayang. Sino ano? Guys, salita sa ganyan. Kaya ko bibigay?
One, I think.
Namatay daw eh.
Died.
Si Nameless daw.
He died, he said.
Sabi, namatay. Sige. Ito na.
English yung namatay.
Ay, okay. Okay, summon. Naku, di tayo aabot. Mukhang di aabot.
Abot yan, pwesto lang isang
Abot
break
kaya.
yan.
Sige, pwesto isang breaker. Diretso tayo sa Stronghold 2. Gamit agad, guys. Gamit agad. Abot ba?
Right ko, yan na.
Nagamit ba? Nagamit. Hello? Nameless
Yata.
one.
Sure siya, nasa Brit Big siya.
Wala
Ano
nang...
nangyari?
Wala nangyari.
Yun
Baka
lang.
nasa ibang castle siya. Wala lumabas eh.
Wala lumabas.
Maybe he's on the other castle.
Wala na.
Okay lang.
Wala
okay lang.
na, wala na. Okay, SH1, tara, SH1. SH1, tara. Bigyan natin yung precast nila.
Sakit ng Imperial.
Tara. Y. Gather up the Y.
Tayong nakalusot na ako, boy.
Sayang. Wala na ito, Rotat. Wala na. Okay, guys. They're coming out, ha? Lumalabas sila, lumalabas yung kamatis.
30 seconds na lang.
Okay, guys, move forward. Nasa...
Ayun.
Oh my God, patay ako. Move forward. Nandiyan si kamatis, so kasalubong niyo na, oh.
Lumalabas na sila.
Oh, lumalabas na.
10 seconds.
Sayang, sa Luwina natin pinagamit, no?
Ah, it's okay.
Open by Luwina, oh.
Many stuff.
Tara, Luwina nga. TP out na, guys. Let's go, Luwina.
Heck,
Dito, mas mahirap lumusot dito, eh. Ang sikip dito, eh. Luwina, big. Refood muna baka pumasok, ha? Baka pumasok kayo agad. Oh, no! Bro, what are you doing, man?
Ayos yan.
Ayos.
Ayos yan, boss.
Ah, that's why.
Nasa Luwina ka pala.
Kaya pala di ka namin narinig. Kasi nasa Luwina
Last mo na yan, boss, ha? Last mo na yan.
Sige, okay lang yun. Huwag na lang ulitin.
DPR, masigip sa, sa area. Teka lang, huwag kayo lalabas, guys. Don't come out. Luwina big. Don't come out the precast. Okay. I'm in the safe zone. The safe zone pala. Okay, guys, on target here, we're gonna try and summon everyone in Stronghold 3, ah. Gonna try and summon anyone in Stronghold 2 pala. Stronghold 2. There's not enough time to make a push. Okay, guys, we're gonna push in 2030 ng battle. 2030. Target is go towards Stronghold 2 to summon your team. In 8 seconds. 8 seconds, guys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Speed cake, fast cake. Go. Go. Towards Stronghold 2. Go towards Stronghold 2, guys. Tuloy mo hitan. Okay, guys, yung mga teammate ko, ano? Summoning. Idan ako na magsasummon, Idan.
Dito na ako sa
Coming. I'm coming round. Pwesto ka na sa SH3. Guys, summon your team. Stronghold 2. Stronghold 2. Buhay na ba kaya? Stronghold 2. Going, Stronghold 2. Guys, go inside. Go inside, Stronghold 2, go inside.
2 minutes.
Guys, everyone in Stronghold 2. Stay inside. There's more of us here. Expel. Expel, please. Ah, wala. Stronghold 3 na lang, Stronghold 3. Lodidan, summon ka na. Summon Stronghold 3.
Kamatis incoming na rin.
Sayang, dito mababasag. We're taking Stronghold 3, guys. Ah.
Sino binigyan mo nung mist? Tayo.
Wala, there's not many people there. There's not enough people to use the mist, the Stronghold 3. Oh well, where are we gonna go after this? I got expelled. Sorry guys. Na-fake news tayo sa sa Icol.
Sigaw siya ng sigaw, di
Which
natin
ka?
siya naririnig. Nasa kabilang agit pala siya.
Sa kabilang agent pala. Tara, Brit mid. Nandiyan lang yung open yata, Brit mid na lang. Guys, everyone Brit mid. Luina Big is already perfect def. Brit medium. Everyone's here. 316, grabe. Refood outside. Unless you wanna go to another channel, guys. Okay lang naman.
Any.
We can stay here. We can stay here. Oh, Imperial nandito na rin. Ay. Swerte naman ng DPR sa kanila yung castle. We can take this from DPR, guys. We're stronger than DPR. Yung pwestuhan lang talaga. Swerte sa pwesto.
Hindi, tsaka palitan yung mga atake.
Oo, palitan.
We are only 34 here.
Yeah. Brit medium, guys. Brit medium. How many online? 96. Where's the other? Baka nag-refood pa sa labas.
Naku, ang dami.
40 pa lang.
41.
Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin to. Ang daming Nutristar dun sa SH1.
SH3 tayo, SH3. Ang target natin, SH3. Takbo lahat sa SH3. Kunin natin SH3. Hold. Teka lang. Summon ko, matagal pa cooldown eh. Hindi, cooldown siguro. Pagdating doon. Brit mid.
7.
Ilan na tayo?
67.
75, guys.
75.
Brit medium.
79. Go.
Brit medium, hurry up.
80.
We're gonna push 15-20 of battle. 15-20 of battle, we're gonna go. Ang target natin di makapag-clash Ang target natin makuha yung Stronghold 3. Ang sikip dito.
Daming
Daming
nakabang
Nutristar
sa
to.
SH2
Sige, SH1 na lang. We can take SH1. Okay na to. 84. 80. Nabawasan pa. 80. Sige guys, we're gonna push 15 ng battle. 15 ng battle. In 10 seconds. We're gonna take Stronghold 1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Let's go! Stronghold 1.
Invi-0 pa.
Daming Nutristar.
Daming Nutristar dyan. Ayun, ang dami. Gago.
Hey guys, Stronghold 1. Gather up Stronghold 1. We have to take this para mayroon tayong RG point. Stronghold 1. Okay guys, dami natin dito. Ang daming Nutristar, grabe.
Invi-0,
Grabe.
spam kay Invi-0.
Invi-syrup, pang kontra sa sa Nutri.
600 people.
Invi-syrup up. Yung mga nakalusot, pwede kayo pumunta ng Stronghold 3. Try nyo makalusot sa Stronghold 3.
Ingat lang kayo dyan sa Y, ang daming tao dyan.
Okay guys. Focus your FM sa Imperial at the bottom. Imperial at the bottom. Bottom right of the map, Imperial.
Celsius.
Excelsus is here as well. Okay.
Only one member.
Grabe yung balag na.
Only one
Balag na
member.
yata. Just hug the SH1. Hug the SH1. Can anybody get through the SH3 para makuha natin SH2? Manual lang. Sige lang, buhay na buhay tayo sa Stronghold 1. Buhay na buhay.
Lagi.
Sige lang, focus heal. Walang MS3 ha. Mag-heal kayo. AB. Get your heels up. Is it me or sobrang lag lang talaga man?
Slug. Skill
It's
na.
lag. The skills is not registering.
Yeah.
Oo. Tara, lipat tayo. Sobrang daming tao. Anybody can find the channel? Saan tayo kaya? Grabe, nag-ano na.
Just don't cheat.
Huli.
Star everywhere.
Ano?
Anybody know Wakaso?
It's Hades. Hades.
Nag-equal yata yung hits. Ka-channel ba natin yun?
Hindi. Nasa ibang channel yung mga yan. Guys, sige, Stronghold 1 lang tayo. Stronghold 1, huwag kayo papatay. Grabe, nag-yuyo yung karakter ko. I don't even know what's killing me. I don't even know what's killing me.
Tignan mo ha.
Tara nga. Move forward nga tayo sa, sa Y. Tara sa Y. Sino ba itong nasa baba na to? Ratalos? Ratalos nasa baba, oh.
Hits, barag oh.
Tara nga, punta natin itong, punta natin yung Ratalos. Top right corner muna, top right corner. Everybody go to top right corner. Top right corner, guys. Grabe, sobrang lag. Hindi, kaya natin umarap ibang front, guys.
Not kidding.
Where can we go? There's no more
bugbugin
fronts.
yung hits at bugbugin natin itong mga to eh.
Nasaan ba sila?
Ay, sa harap lang ng SH1.
Lower up, right?
Oh?
H1.
Hindi ko,
Yeah.
hindi ko kita, boy.
Hits, pasok na yung SH1.
Ayun, SH3. SH3. May, kinukuha na SH3, guys.
Sige.
Hintay kayo. Tatalon tayo doon.
Okay.
Tanga na, kaso sobrang lag kasi.
Yeah.
Nandito lahat. Check your gears, guys. Check your gears. It would have been stripped already. Grabe. Musta SH3? Capturing pa rin?
Yeah, capturing.
Okay guys, lahat na nasa safe zone. Teleport. In 3, 2, 1. Teleport.
I died in safe zone.
Okay. Move towards Stronghold 2 na, guys. Move towards Stronghold 2. Let's go. Stronghold 2. Regal, Stronghold 2. Let's go. Gather up first, 12 block, MVP area. Nobody move for MVP area. Grabe yung lag. MVP area, nobody move. Stay here, MVP area. Stay at MVP. Okay, we're gonna push in. 9:40 ng battle, 9:45. 9:45 of battle. We're gonna go in.
Check your equips.
Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go, Stronghold 2. Go. Stronghold 2. Go in, Stronghold 2. Go in. Go in, Stronghold 2. Go in na, Go in the circle. Stay inside the circle, guys. Stay inside the circle. Guys. Gumamit ako ng artifact. Pasok kayo sa circle. Pasok. Nice. We're taking it. One na reso. Reso niyo mga kakampi nyo.
Middle. Retaking it.
Okay, they're retaking. It's not good. They're retaking. Reso. Keep resuing. Mga RG, mag-expel kayo. JC, mag-expel ka.
JC, ano na?
Grabe. Sige lang. Keep the pressure.
Grabe, 80 yata yung
Pressure nyo lang. Ipasok mo, JC.
Huli.
Grabe. Grabe. Hindi, kulang tayo doon, kulang tayo doon. Kulang tayo, kulang. Sige lang. Clash lang. Ipitin nyo sila. Sige, lapakan nyo na skill yung SH3. SH2, I mean. Push tayo pabalik. Isa pa ang push. RG tayo sa MVP area. MVP area, everyone. Last 1 minute na lang pala. 1 minuto na lang. Sige lang guys, push forward to MVP area. Push forward. Hades. SH1. Wala na, anong oras 30 seconds na lang Ay. Hanap tayo ng castle. 5 minutes. Worth it to ba?
GG's na ako, boss. May ihil ako eh.
Ay, sige, Boss Bigo. Salamat. GG's. I'm still looking for a channel. Anybody have a channel in mind? Para sa mga hindi pa magla-logout. 5 minutes pa to, mababa pa to. Still got 5 minutes. Trying to find a channel. So it feels like everything's closed now. Front 12.
Again.
So kung sino man assign, regardless to anong team nyo ha, make sure na trying to get na kayo ng node 2 para may teleporter. So just in case no need to break, may teleporter tayo near the MVP or tayo yung magpo-flash. Okay? Pero again, para sa mga hindi aware, anybody can break if the node has already been taken. So anybody yun. Baka kasi inisip nyo dapat build lang natin. So insurance lang siya. Bakit instruction is node 2? Ano natin? Tapos ano pa bang